Alright, so here we are in the front yard looking at the filtration barrels. And what we have here on the left is a radial flow filter, and on the right side is going to be just the shade cloth filter. Behind the wall, directly behind the filtration barrels, is our fish tank, and the PVC pipe 3-inch leading off to the right here, it goes underground, and then across here and behind the fence here is our deep water culture system. This, by the way, used to be our internet cable that we accidentally clipped, and so for 3 days we were not able to get online and get all that wonderful information of how to complete this system from backyardaquaponics.com. I don't get endorsed for that or anything. I just really appreciate those guys. Anyway, I'm going to open this up and show you what's inside. Alright, the first barrel, this is our radial flow filter. When I open it up, you're going to see right here we have a bucket. This is where our output is. The input is down here at the bottom. So it's going to go actually all the way up this part. The water is going to hit the top of our bucket and then turn around backwards. It's going to go all the way back down the sleeve slowly to the very bottom, where hopefully our solids will settle. Now the only water that's going to raise all the way back up to the top right here, and this again is on the outside of the bucket this way, is our clean water, where all the heavy solids are hopefully going to stay down here, and that bucket and that large sleeve are what's going to help it. So when it crosses over to this side, to our second barrel, this one's much more simple. It's just got an input at the top, and at the very bottom it has an output. And the only thing in between is going to be a little bit of filter and maybe something to kind of hold that filtration in place. That part might not even be necessary. And then it just exits out the back bottom side of the barrel and back across to where our input is going to be on our deep water culture on the opposite side of that fence. The plumbing from the filter barrels crosses under the fence here. It's going to go up, and right here it's going to convert from 3-inch down to 1.25, which is the entry point to the deep water culture bed that goes out here, and I'll show you guys the aeration system next.